Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is another basic level phonics lesson, and today we're going to be continuing to look at the OO, making the short U sound. But first, let's review the sounds from some of the previous videos. So again, try to read the sounds on your own and then restart the video to listen and check.
uh, uh, e, 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 o, 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 I,
Right, now listen and write down the sounds in the order that you hear them.
e, o, I, uh,
And I'll show the answers.
e,
Okay, so the E sound is made with double E, EA, EY.
o,
So O is OA, OW, and OE.
I,
So I is IGH,
uh,
and is U and double O. All right, now practice sounding out these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
uh, t, put, f, o, full, b, sh, bush, o, uh, look, g, d, good, w, o, wool,
Right, now let's look at the double O for the long U sound. Listen and repeat.
ooh, 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 food, ooh, 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 food, uh, 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 cook,
All right, now practice reading these words, and then when you're ready, restart the video to listen and check.
mm, ooh, mm, moon, o, ooh, loop, d, oo, doom, oo, s, oops.
Now practice reading these words and then restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
Ood, food, b, o, oo, bloom, b, oo, t, boot, oo, f, roof, z, oo, zoo, z, oo, zoom, oo, room, b, oo, boo, s, k, oo, scoop, k, oo, o, cool, oo, moo, s, oo, soon,
All right, this time write down the words and then I'll play it a second time and fill in the correct answers.
room, cool, food, soon, zoom, hoop, room, cool, food, soon, zoom, hoop,
All right, now let's review these sight words.
door, into,
All right, now practice reading the sentences and then restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
it is too cool in this room. Oops, my boot is on the roof.
All right, now we'll read the story, Ben and Ice Cream. So look at the pictures, read the story, and then listen.
Ben likes to eat cold food when it is hot. He goes to his room with a scoop of ice cream and shuts the door. Soon he feels very cool. His little brother zooms into his room and yells, "Moo!" He wants ice cream too.
All right, now read the entire story and then restart when you're ready to listen.
Ben likes to eat cold food when it is hot. He goes to his room with a scoop of ice cream and shuts the door. Soon he feels very cool. His little brother zooms into his room and yells, "Moo!" He wants ice cream too.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.